Good morning, beautiful people. Welcome back to another video. Today I have something exciting planned for you guys. Well, I think it's exciting because it's my favorite workout day. And I've already shown you guys a shoulder workout like a couple weeks ago, 2 weeks ago, I don't know. Anyway, we're gonna do a shoulder workout today. This one's gonna be a little bit different. I train shoulders twice a week. The reason why I want to do another shoulder workout is because I really want to do like a voiceover so I can explain all the movements to you. I would say my biggest transformation physically has been my shoulders this year. In a matter of like 5 months, they've just like really come in. And there are a couple things that I have done in order to really grow my shoulders. Shoulders are really important in bikini, and I just think like a nice pop shoulder on a woman is really nice anyway, and it gives you just like that, you know, like the bigger appearance on top, which makes your waist look smaller. Also growing your back and your lats will help with that as well, but also that nice popped shoulder really does it. So like I was saying, I train shoulders twice a week, and then I also do certain exercises in order to maximize the amount of growth that I am getting. So I'm gonna show you guys all of that. My friend Erin is going to be filming for me, and she's going to be working out with me. So I'm super excited about that because I never ever have a workout partner ever. So it'll just be fun, and I'm sure that we're gonna be super chatty because we are both just like super high energy. But I'll try to leave you guys out of that because me and her, we can just like go off on tangents, you know? So anyway, I wanted to give that little introduction. Also guys, I'm gonna show you just an example of what my muscle growth has looked like. I posted it on my Instagram the other day, so actually I'm gonna go ahead and just show you guys my Instagram handle. You guys can follow me on that, but just in case you don't have Instagram, I'm gonna show you guys my before and after pictures. This is probably, I think the first one I took in September-ish, September of last year, and then this last one I took like a couple weeks ago. So I'm just gonna show you how much growth you can really get in a very small amount of time. I do also wanna say that even though the muscle development has been significant, there are things that you have to do besides, you know, working out your shoulders once or twice a week. You know, a lot of that goes into play with, you know, your diet and nutrition, and be able to really see those lean muscles by going through periods of doing lean bulks and leaning out, of course. So I just wanted to throw those things in, but we're gonna do videos on all of that stuff. I feel like I have so much information for you guys, which is why I've been making so many videos, and I'm just trying to stay on top of it because my mind just goes like a million miles a minute. I'm like, oh, well, they need to do this video, and I'm gonna talk about this, but they need to know about that also. So I have so much to share, and I'm so excited about it, which is why I started this channel. Like, I am on Instagram like a fair amount, but I feel like there's only so much you can write down and so much people are gonna read. So it's just better for me to like express myself verbally and show you guys things in my daily life and my routines and all of that kind of stuff in order to really make healthy living a lifestyle, or even make competing a lifestyle if that's something that you're interested in. And to be honest with you, I know a lot of girls like really complain about competing and it's so unhealthy and it's this and it's that. I just don't feel that way. I have a really good coach who has shown me that it can be a lifestyle. I feel amazing. I'm full of energy. Like, I squeeze this into my daily life, and it's done a lot for me. He's banging his cup. It's done a lot for me. Not just physically, because honestly, physically, it's like, I've said this before, but like the physical transformation is the least impressive part. Like, my mental transformation, guys, is everything. And so like this sport has done a lot for me. So all of the information that I can pass along to you in order for you to guys to either get into competing or just live a healthy lifestyle, just be that like active, healthy, vibrant person that I know that you could be, like that's what means the world to me. So with all of that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and have my breakfast with my little guy, and I'm gonna show you guys my shoulder workout with Erin. The first thing we are going to start with is a superset. Supersets are great ways to overload those muscles and really maximize your potential muscle growth.
You lift my heart up when the rest of me is down.
This exercise is called a barbell shoulder press. You're really going to want to push through those caps of your shoulders and get that bar right above your head. During supersets, you give yourself little to no break at all, so you're going to pop right into these rear delt lateral raises. You really need to make that mind-muscle connection, and you can see those rear delts popping in the back. You really want to feel those during this exercise, and make sure you're using a lighter weight. The next exercise we are going to do are lateral raises. I really want you to try to prevent rocking as much as possible. If you're rocking too much during this motion, more than likely you need to drop your weight. Again, make that mind-muscle connection and focus on those shoulders and make sure you're not pulling the traps into this. After we're done hitting our shoulders, we're going to go over and start with our triceps. The main thing I want you to focus on in this exercise is keeping your elbows in that same position. So when you bring them down, your arms are going to go all the way down, and then you're going to bring them up, and your elbows are going to stay in that same spot, and you're really going to feel that burn in the tricep. And guys, this is another superset because you know they're my favorite. So this exercise is called a cable tricep kickback. Again, try to keep that elbow in the same spot. You can see that my arm is all the way back, my elbow is staying locked in that position, and I can really feel the burn in that tricep. We have one more superset to go. What you're going to do is pop on over to the dip machine, and you're going to bring those elbows up to a 90-degree angle. And make sure you're doing a nice slow and controlled movement on the way up so you can really feel that burn. We are going to wrap this up with skull crushers. You will see there is a theme here. Keep those elbows in that same position and just pull that bar right to your forehead and back up. A nice slow and controlled movement so you can really feel that. Okay, I hope you really enjoyed that shoulder workout. I really feel like if you guys start involving some more supersets, if you also do nice controlled movements without rocking, and so that way you're really pulling that weight up with your shoulders, you're gonna see some growth. I also wanna share another little pro tip with you guys, and I actually learned this from someone who trains in men's physique, and what he does is he hits that muscle again like right when it heals. So let me give you an example. You work out your shoulders on Monday. The following day they're gonna be sore. By Wednesday, you're not gonna work those shoulders out again, but they're probably gonna be healed or pretty much. And so what you do is you go in and you just hit those shoulders, like maybe do one exercise, just maybe, you know, hit some shoulder presses just to work them up again and just kind of break through those muscles again. And I really feel like when people do that, they see a lot more development more quickly. So that's just a little pro tip that I've learned along the way. everyone has, you know, like little things that they do or that they believe in or they don't, and everybody's different. Things work differently for different people, but those are the things that I have seen that have worked really well with my body and has definitely contributed in my muscle development. Thank you guys again so much for watching. I can't wait to make another video for you guys and keep sharing. Thank you so much for anyone who comments. I love hearing from you guys. It seriously like makes my whole day. So please feel free to comment down below. I will respond every single time. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you again soon.